Hello everyone, today I'll show you a very useful setting that I would enable in the Google Play Store. It will not only improve your phone's performance, but it will also have a positive impact on your device's storage. I mean when it's full, when you don't have enough memory to download something, install an additional app, or upload files. I think this happens to everyone. And usually, when this happens, you grab your head and wonder what you can delete from your smartphone, what you need, what you don't. Of course, you don't want to delete anything, but you need to free up some space. Well, there's a specific setting in Google Play that will help you avoid deleting anything. I personally enable it on every smartphone. Be sure to support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So, go to the Google Play Store. Next, look for your profile picture or account on the right side. Click and scroll down to find the settings. There's usually a gear on the left side. Click it. Next, we're interested in the line called General Settings. Click the arrow on the right side. Then scroll down. And here's a very important feature called Automatically Archive Apps if storage space runs low. So, how does it work? Let's say you're running low on memory on your smartphone, and you don't want to delete anything. So, if you enable this button or this slider, the system will automatically detect apps you rarely use and automatically archive them. So, if an app used to take up, say, 500 megabytes, it will now take up around 200 or 100 megabytes. But it will still be on your smartphone. It will continue to work as before, but your internal storage will be freed up. Of course, this feature is very useful.